You may feel like age is slowing you down, but the truth is, vitality and energy are not determined by the number of years behind you. They're determined by the choices you make every single day. Every morning, when you wake up, you have a chance to decide how your day will unfold, how your body will feel, and how your mind will react to life's challenges. It starts with what you put into your body, nourishing yourself with whole, natural foods, drinking plenty of water, and avoiding processed sugars gives your system the energy it needs to thrive. Small changes like swapping a sugary snack for fresh fruit or adding a handful of nuts to your breakfast can create massive shifts in how you feel, how you think, and even how you sleep. Nutrition is the foundation of health and energy, and it becomes even more critical as we age. Every bite you take has a profound impact on your body, your brain, and your overall sense of vitality. The foods you choose are not just fuel, they are information for your cells, guiding how your body regenerates, repairs, and responds to the challenges of daily life. Whole, unprocessed foods provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to maintain energy, protect against inflammation, and support optimal organ function. Fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with phytonutrients that can improve circulation, enhance cognitive function, and boost your immune system. Lean proteins like fish, poultry, eggs, and plant-based sources provide the building blocks for muscles, joints, and connective tissues, helping you stay strong and active. Healthy fats from sources such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts support brain health, hormone balance, and cellular regeneration, and they give your body a long-lasting source of energy that processed snacks cannot match. Hydration is another cornerstone of nutrition that is often overlooked. Water supports every function in your body, from digestion to temperature regulation to joint lubrication, and even mild dehydration can leave you feeling sluggish and unfocused. Making a habit of drinking water throughout the day, starting with a glass in the morning, ensures your body can perform at its best. Small changes can have a huge cumulative effect. Swapping sugary snacks or processed foods for fresh fruit, nuts, or yogurt doesn't just reduce empty calories, it provides sustained energy, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces the risk of chronic disease. Including colorful vegetables and fruits at every meal can increase fiber intake, aid digestion, and support a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for nutrient absorption and immune resilience. Portion control and mindful eating also play a crucial role. Paying attention to how you feel while eating, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's signals can prevent overeating and promote better digestion. Planning meals ahead and keeping healthy snacks available reduces the likelihood of reaching for processed or convenient foods that may drain your energy rather than boost it. Supplements can complement your diet when necessary, but they should not replace nutrient-rich whole foods. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium, and antioxidants can support your body in areas where modern diets may fall short. By prioritizing what you put into your body every day, you send a powerful message to yourself that your health matters and that you are committed to sustaining energy, vitality, and youthfulness. The choices you make in your diet are more than just about physical appearance. They influence mood, mental clarity, resilience, and how your body ages. Small, consistent steps toward better nutrition compound over time, creating a strong foundation for overall wellness, longevity, and a sense of empowerment that comes from taking control of your health through mindful eating habits. Movement is one of the most powerful tools you have for maintaining health, energy, and vitality, and it becomes increasingly important as we age. Staying active doesn't mean you need to push yourself to extremes or spend hours in a gym. Even gentle, consistent movement has profound benefits for your body and mind. Walking, stretching, and light exercises help keep your muscles strong, your joints flexible, and your cardiovascular system healthy. Every time you move, you improve blood flow, which delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to every cell in your body, helping your organs function optimally and your brain stay sharp. Simple routines like a daily walk around your neighborhood, light resistance exercises, using your body weight, or gentle yoga stretches can prevent stiffness, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls, which is especially important for older adults. Incorporating movement into your day can also boost your energy levels, leaving you feeling more alert and motivated to take on daily tasks. Even small bursts of activity, like standing up and stretching every hour, climbing stairs instead of taking the elevator, or doing a few simple exercises while watching television, can accumulate into significant benefits over time. Beyond the physical advantages, exercise has a remarkable impact on mental, emotional well-being. Movement releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which reduce stress, enhance mood, and support better sleep. Staying active also improves self-confidence, giving you a sense of accomplishment and empowerment as you notice improvements in strength, flexibility, and stamina. Group activities, such as gentle fitness classes, swimming sessions, or walking club BS, provide social interaction and emotional support, which are essential for maintaining a positive mindset. Listening to your body is crucial. It's important to start at a comfortable pace and gradually increase intensity to prevent injury and build sustainable habits. Consistency matters more than intensity. By incorporating movement into your daily routine, you create a lifestyle that supports longevity, resilience, and vitality. Exercise also enhances cognitive function, helping with memory, focus, and mental clarity, which contributes to maintaining independence and quality of life. Over time, the cumulative effect of daily movement is transformative, supporting joint health, muscle tone, bone density, and cardiovascular strength. It strengthens the body's core, improves posture, and enhances mobility, allowing you to perform daily activities with ease and confidence. Even in small doses, movement signals to your body that you value your health, that you respect your body's capabilities, and that you are committed to living fully, regardless of age. By embracing regular activity as a daily habit, you create a foundation for lasting energy, youthful vitality, and a life filled with purpose and enjoyment, proving that age is not a limitation, but an opportunity to invest in your well-being through intentional, consistent movement. Your mindset is one of the most powerful forces in determining how you feel, how you age, and how you experience life. The way you think about yourself, your abilities, and the world around you shapes not only your emotions, but also your energy, resilience, and even physical health. Choosing positivity is a deliberate and transformative act. When you focus on what you can do rather than what you cannot, you open the door to growth, joy, and renewed vitality. Gratitude is a cornerstone of this positive mindset. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on the things you appreciate, whether it's the warmth of the sun, a good meal, a kind word from a friend, or simply waking up to a new day, creates a ripple effect that lifts your mood, reduces stress, and strengthens your mental health. Surrounding yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and encourage you further reinforces this positive outlook. Relationships are a key ingredient in maintaining emotional wellness, and connecting with friends, family, or supportive communities fosters a sense of belonging, purpose, and energy that is difficult to achieve alone. Mindset also affects how your body responds to challenges. Stress and negative thoughts can lead to tension, fatigue, and inflammation, while a positive outlook promotes relaxation, energy, and better overall physical health. Choosing optimism does not mean ignoring difficulties. It means acknowledging challenges while believing in your ability to overcome them, adapt, and thrive. Celebrating small victories is another way to strengthen your mindset. Every time you accomplish something, no matter how minor it may seem, you reinforce confidence, motivation, and self-worth. Smiling more, laughing often, and finding moments of joy create chemical changes in your body that enhance mood and increase resilience. Mindfulness and meditation can support a strong, positive mindset by helping you stay present, reduce anxiety, and observe thoughts without judgment. These practices train your brain to respond to life with calmness, clarity, and purpose rather than fear or frustration. Setting intentions for your day, affirming your strengths, and focusing on possibilities rather than limitations empowers you to make choices that align with your wellness goals. When your mindset is strong and positive, it fuels energy, encourages movement, supports healthy eating, and inspires consistency in self-care practices. It also influences how you approach challenges, interact with others, and embrace new experiences, allowing you to live fully and meaningfully at any age. By prioritizing your mindset, you are not only enhancing mental and emotional health, but also creating a feedback loop that benefits your body, energy levels, and overall vitality. Every thought, every perspective, and every choice you make shapes the lens through which you experience life, proving that maintaining a positive mindset is a form of self-care, empowerment, and lifelong wellness. Rest and recovery are essential components of health and wellness, especially as we age, yet many people underestimate their power. Sleep is not simply a pause from activity, it is the time when your body repairs itself, consolidates memory, balances hormones, and strengthens the immune system. Quality rest allows your muscles to recover, your joints to rejuvenate, and your mind to process the events of the day. Without adequate sleep, even the healthiest habits of nutrition and exercise can be undermined, leaving you feeling drained, unfocused, and vulnerable to illness. Establishing a calming evening routine is one of the most effective ways to improve sleep quality. Simple actions such as dimming the lights, limiting screen time, enjoying a warm shower, or engaging in gentle stretching signal to your body that it is time to wind down and prepare for restorative rest. Creating a comfortable sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet enhances your ability to fall asleep quickly and stay asleep through the night. Regular sleep schedules, going to bed and waking up at consistent times, help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to feel alert and energized during the day. Naps can also be beneficial when used strategically, providing a boost of energy without disrupting nighttime sleep. Bayo. ND physical restoration. Rest has profound effects on mental and emotional well-being. Deep, uninterrupted sleep supports cognitive function, memory retention, and emotional regulation. When you are well rested, you are more patient, more focused, and better equipped to handle stress. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can increase irritability, anxiety, and even the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. It is important to listen to your body's signals and honor the need for rest, rather than pushing through fatigue. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or listening to calming music before bed can help quiet a busy mind and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Avoiding stimulants such as caffeine or heavy meals close to bedtime also improves sleep quality, allowing your body to enter the stages of sleep where growth hormone is released and cellular repair occurs. Emphasizing rest as a priority rather than an afterthought transforms your approach to wellness, reinforcing the idea that recovery is a vital part of sustaining energy, strength, and vitality. When you make rest a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you enhance every other aspect of your health. Your workouts become more effective, your mood becomes more stable, your focus sharpens, and your body's natural defenses are strengthened. The simple choice to honor sleep and prioritize restorative rest creates a foundation for resilience, youthful energy, and overall well-being, allowing you to approach each day with vitality and clarity while supporting long-term health and a vibrant, energetic life at any age. Consistency is one of the most powerful forces for creating lasting health and vitality, and it is often underestimated. The choices you make every day, even small ones, accumulate over time to produce remarkable transformations in your body, mind, and overall well-being. It is not about occasional bursts of intense effort or perfect adherence to a strict routine. It is about showing up day after day with intentional actions that support your wellness. Drinking water regularly, preparing balanced meals, moving your body, choosing positive thoughts, and getting adequate rest may seem simple in isolation, but when repeated consistently, they become habits that shape your life. The power of compounding works in health just as it does in finance. Small, incremental improvements build momentum and create long-term results that far exceed what can be achieved through sporadic effort. Consistency also strengthens discipline and self-confidence. Each time you follow through on a commitment to yourself, whether it's going for a short walk, choosing a healthy meal, or practicing gratitude, you reinforce the belief that you are capable, resilient, and in control of your life. This mindset feeds back into your actions, making it easier to maintain other healthy habits and embrace positive change. Tracking progress and celebrating small victories are essential components of consistency. When you acknowledge the effort you put in daily, even in minor ways, you cultivate motivation and reinforce the behavior patterns that support wellness. Over time, the cumulative impact of consistent choices transforms not only your physical health, but also your mental and emotional resilience. Your energy levels rise, your body becomes stronger and more flexible, and your immune system grows more robust. Moreover, consistency creates a rhythm in your life, a structure that allows you to navigate challenges with confidence and maintain balance. Life will always have disruptions and unexpected events, but the habits you maintain consistently provide a stable foundation that you can rely on. Embracing consistency also encourages patience and perspective, reminding you that meaningful change rarely happens overnight, and that long-term results are achieved through steady, deliberate effort rather than quick fixes. Even when progress feels slow or obstacles appear, staying committed to your daily choices ensures that you continue moving forward, steadily building the life you envision. Consistency bridges the gap between intention and transformation, turning aspirations into reality and daily decisions into lasting benefits. By making a habit of choosing health, positivity, movement, nourishment, and rest every day, you cultivate vitality, youthfulness, and a sense of empowerment that grows stronger over time. Each small intentional action compounds into a legacy of wellness, proving that age is not a barrier, but an opportunity to invest in your energy, strength, and overall quality of life. Your commitment to consistency is the secret to sustaining the habits that keep you strong, vibrant, and engaged with life, allowing you to experience the full potential of each day with purpose, resilience, and lasting vitality.